Timely accounting is a great step toward a financially healthy and compliant practice, but reducing the chances of internal financial fraud requires strong internal controls and oversight. In one study by the Medical Group Management Association, 83% of practice administrators said employee theft or embezzlement had happened at their workplace. Healthcare practices tend to see higher levels of internal fraud. It could be something as minor as pocketing a cash copay, charging a personal item to a business credit card, or taking a few office supplies here and there. Fraud could also be larger in scale, like stealing tens of thousands of dollars by writing and cashing practice checks over time. If you're not closely monitoring your finances and inventory, you're making your practice vulnerable to fraud. Yes, you're busy tending to patients, but don't be so busy that you miss these important red flags. Payments made to mystery vendors. Do you see purchases from a store or a service provider your practice wouldn't normally use? Or a vendor you've never heard of? These could be signs someone is making unauthorized purchases or cashing practice checks for themselves. Differences between billing and bank statements. If your billing software states that you took in X dollars one month, but your bank statement says otherwise, someone could be pocketing payments instead of including them in your deposits. Lack of credit card receipts. Every month, your practice should match credit card receipts to their corresponding monthly statements. When receipts are missing regularly or a purchase without a receipt involves a large dollar amount, it could indicate unauthorized transactions. Inventory running out more quickly than it should. You probably have a general idea of how often things like office supplies, medical products, and similar items need to be ordered. If you're running out earlier than usual, however, it might mean someone is helping themselves to the cabinets. Falling behind in paying your practice's bills. At this stage, fraud or mismanagement has probably been going on for quite a while. If you haven't had a drop in patient traffic, but you can't cover your bills like you used to, it's time for serious scrutiny of your financial operations. These are just a few of the red flags that can indicate fraud, so monitor your finances diligently and contact your healthcare CPA if you have concerns.